You have to log into your Temu account using your browser. Alright, so first of all, open any web browser you have on your phone, whether it be Google Chrome, Brave, or Safari, whatever. Once you have opened your web browser, what you can do is search for temu.com. Once you search for it, the first link is the official website of Temu, so just open it. And here it says sign in for best experience, so just tap on sign in. First, you'll need to complete the verification puzzle. Once the verification is successful, you will be able to sign in. Here you can sign in with your email or your Google account or your Facebook. So you can sign in with whatever you have signed in before. So I have signed in using my Google. So I'm just going to tap on Google. Once you have chosen your Gmail account, what you can do is just tap on continue. And as you can see, you should be logged in after you do that. Again, you will have to complete a verification puzzle. Once the verification is successful, as you can see, if I tap right here, I have logged into my profile. And that's how you can easily log into Temu. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.